Welcome to the channel, where we embark on a journey to discover the hidden beauties of Jamaica.
From untouched beaches to majestic mountains, this is your gateway to the secret gems of our island in the sun. Join me as we explore places that are off the beaten path, dive deep into the rich culture, meet locals who bring Jamaica's vibrant spirit to life, and uncover the stories behind these hidden treasures.
Whether you're a traveler seeking new adventures, a local looking to rediscover the island, or just curious about the wonders of Jamaica, you've come to the right place.
So hit that subscribe button and let's go beyond the ordinary, because the real beauty of Jamaica is waiting to be discovered.
Welcome to the channel, your passport to Jamaica's hidden wonders.